Tonight, the South Philly Community Fridge, it is putting out a plea for help after one of its refrigerators was stolen. Volunteers say that the fridge outside the Bach building in the 1900 block of South 9th Street was taken around 2 this morning. The group doesn't want to press charges. They just hope the fridge gets returned so they can help the community with groceries.
To the people who took it, you know, if they want to reach out to us, that's great. We hope that they got whatever it is that they need, because at the end of the day, South Philly Community Fridge is here to help people just have a better life.
Well, the group is hoping to replace the refrigerator that was stolen by tomorrow evening. We're told a 6th pantry is also expected to open tomorrow at De Silvestro Playground on South 15th Street.